Hey, my name is Shannon, and before I joined Crissy's Visible Inner Circle, my relationship with social media, I would say, was pretty much non-existent. I really didn't do social media a whole lot to promote my business. I really didn't see the point, honestly, because what I had been doing in the past and what I had tried really didn't get any traction. It seemed like it was way too much time for the return I was getting for my investment in the time and resources it was taking for me to do social media the way I was doing it. And so I just kind of didn't do it. And it wasn't for me necessarily about being afraid to put myself out there or anything. I definitely was early on in my business, but I kind of have gotten over that. It was more about social media takes so much time and who's going to see what I do anyway. And I don't know how to use that platform and I'm not going to bother learning. And so when I met Crissy and I decided to join her Visible Inner Circle after hearing her talk about what she did in there, I was like, you know what? I think I've been doing it wrong. I think I've been thinking of social media wrong. And I think Crissy is the person who could actually help me not only do it right, but do it really, really efficiently. And so I joined the Visible Inner Circle and it literally blew my mind. I was thinking about social media all completely wrong. And Crissy is just like a genius when it comes to strategies that save time. So her content creation machine strategy that she taught inside the program was worth the entire investment for me in the program. So I was able to not only implement her content creation machine strategy and start getting people joining my program, I was also able to get on video really, really strategically using her strategies and her tips. And I heard from people who enrolled in my $5,000 group coaching program that they watched the videos that I made, and that is what made them decide to join my program. So I can say with all of the clarity in the world that the strategies that I learned inside of Visible directly led to me not only making my entire investment in the program back, but I have gotten at least 10 to 15 times a return on my investment through implementing the strategies that Crissy teaches inside of this program. Literally just the content creation machine strategy, which is one of the bonuses alone, is worth the entire investment. Not to mention her genius brain, all of her support, the community, all of the people inside of that program, and the time that I have saved on my social media strategy is just invaluable. So if you are on the fence about joining the Visible Inner Circle, you can't make a wrong decision. You absolutely will have everything you need to implement a consistent social media strategy that makes sense and helps you get a return on your investment, make more money in your business, get in front of more people. It's a total no-brainer. Highly recommend.